guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be part of a summer series that I'm doing with flip-flops to just show you how to decorate your flip-flops and make them into something a little bit more glam and spectacular for your wardrobe. I recently ordered an olive green bodysuit and I wanted something that matched it, so I decided to add some olive green beading and some crystal clear Swarovski crystals to my flip-flops to make my outfit look just a little bit cuter. So let me show you what I used to get this look. To make this project, I used olive green beads, crystal clear Swarovski crystals, E6000 glue, and some white flip-flops. My first step is to add a large crystal right in the center and then work up on each side and add the green crystals. This is the progress so far. As you can see, I've set the crystal in the center and now I'm adding the olive beading along each side. This is the progress so far. My next step is to add the crystals. I've added the crystals and I'm going to finish this row and show you what it looks like. This is the completed row and now I'll move on to the other side. This is what the flip-flop looked like before. This is the final result. Love how it turned out. I think it's so pretty and it was so easy to make. Once again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.